roll up your sleeves, put an apron on, and cover your table with a piece of old cardboard. Take a sheet of thin white card or thick white paper, and with your marker pen, draw the outline of the puppet you want to make. I'm doing a dinosaur. And now you can start colouring in. Now here's the good bit. I'm starting with the yellow, so you want to stay inside the lines on your drawing, but you don't need to worry about the outside edge. So you can be as rough as you like round the outside. Now put as much colour on your puppet as you can, because you can't go back and add colour later. So when it's all coloured in, take an old tray, make sure it's got no holes in it, and put a little bit of vegetable oil in your tray. Now take one square of kitchen roll and fold it up several times into a little pad. Which you can use to dip into the vegetable oil. Not too much. And rub it all over your drawing. Don't worry, you won't rub your drawing out. A little bit of colour might come off, but it won't do it any harm. A second lot so the oil really soaks into the paper, and you can see the paper around your drawing changing colour too. Now here's the magic bit. Your drawing will start to appear on the other side. So, with a bit more oil, rub it in until your drawing completely appears on the other side of your paper. This means that you've made the whole bit of card translucent. Now, take a fresh piece of dry, clean kitchen roll and fold it up into a slightly bigger pad. And now you want to rub off all the excess oil so that your drawing and your piece of card is nice and dry, or as dry as possible. Now do this on both sides so that there's no oil anywhere. You don't want extra oil getting onto other things. So give it a good rub both sides, and you can see it's coming off onto the cardboard, which is a good thing. So big rub on the back and on the front, so it's as dry as it can be. And now you're ready to cut out your puppet, following the lines you've made. Now it should be colourful on one side, and you can see all the mess around the outside has gone. So now put a stick on it. Take a thin garden stick or a kebab skewer and a small strip of masking tape. That's the paper one, so you can tear it. Place the stick in the middle, about halfway along, and fold it in half, the tape, but make sure there's a little flap at the end. Tuck the corners in, so you have a stick with a flap on the end. Now turn your puppet over, find a place in the middle near the top where you can attach the stick, and with one stapler you can fix the stick on to your puppet. And there we have a colourful dinosaur puppet. Now if you shine a torch at your puppet, you can use it as a shadow puppet. If you set up a piece of paper or a sheet, from the other side you can make a huge puppet if you take it towards the light. But if you bring your puppet close to the sheet, all the colours come through.